South Africa, Ningizimu Afrika kubuna kubla kufinyelela khona ke leli phimbo nina besile nina bakamdleko mbane nina baphetshane ephuma esiqebi nina bembinambena bathi ke uphusha obukhali nina bendlonje namandla nina ke bakantu siyabingelela ke kubuna kubla kufinyelela khona ke lo mbukiso ke ibhanyabhanya ke njengamanje obingelelayo ke uSiphamandla bathi mabuso kaMgilitsha umfana obamhleke umfana phansi ke lena maduba inkundusi isigodi siza kwena ke njengamanje siza nayo ke i-podcast masike sisesikhungweni the varsity podcast la sithulela khona ke zonke ke indaba ke ezenzakala ke ngaphakathi ke esikhungweni ke semfundo ke yase UKZN isikhungo ke semfundo ke yakwaZulu Natal ngaphansi ke kwephiko kwelase Maritzburg ke campus ke yakhona lapha ke eMgungundlovu siza kwena ke namhlanje nalo ke uhlelo lethu ke uli special la khona esikhava khona ke udaba ke olukhulu njengoba sike sibheke lapha ke kuma elections ka 2024 okanye ke SRC ka 2024 2025 khona lapha ke UKZN siza kwena ke namhlanje siza ke namabomvu bathi ke ezikachuchu bathi ke amasosha kachuchu bathi ke hey angazi izidlamlilo khona ke umnewethu khona ke ubhuti omdala ke umdletshe umfoka ngomane kuyena ke sethula nayo phinde ke bumtitiyeli ke walo ke lolu hlelo lwethu ke namhlanje khona ke umlondo ke naye ngomunye kwabafethu ke uyithambile sethu ke namhlanje esizomthula ke okanye ke awuzozethula naye ke ngokuhamba ke kwalo hlalo ngomane mfowethu
Umntana
hayi isikhathi futhi sesishayile
sekunjani ngicela ukubingelela wekhamandinge engawasho ngijabuza inkulumo nje
ungabisayijaha futhi inkulumo ungabisayijaha futhi asivele siyithathe sihlale kuyona mnewethu sikubingelela
kuyaphila kanjani bafethu
hayi siyaphila siphilile mfowethu sicela uzethule mnewethu kumbukele njengamanje usibukele ukuthi ubani lo sefike oseqhize ngegazi lapha phambi kwethu sefaka amabovu singazi usukapi ufike kanjani mhlambe uKZN wenzani uKZN
igama lami nguSiyabonga Mlondo Sibongo but ngidume uMlondo ngokwaziwa kakhulu ngeMlondo bengibiza ngeSibongo so ngiqhamuka eThekwini eMayville ngihlala khona eMayville la esikoleni ngafika ngo2019 manje ngenza masters in political sciences ngizoqala we-masters I think ilokho nje
yabo mana ukufika kwakho la esikoleni ubuwenza iphi degree
so wahlahle ngisicasuse kubeke nje emumva ukuthi ngafika kanjani la UKZN so bengifunda eMayville Secondary School so ngenza no physics no maths kwaphaseka wangaphaseka nokunye kahle so mengifika I'm one of the students la abaqhamuka from augmented student kumbula sine augmented eqhamuka ka science ngisho noma ngiyayazi whereby if uthi mhlawumbe uphasile physics uphasile science waphasa maths wangayiphasa kahle then masuyongena ka science uqale wenze lo nyaka owodwa la esikoleni then uye ka mainstream aqala ngena ke nami ke kanjalo ke ka science khona lapho ke nginyaka mokuqala so mengifika ngisayi first year ngiyayithanda yona i-chemistry ne-biology but angithandi i-maths bese sengini ukuthi okay mengifika esikoleni mangifikela kubantu vele abasevele be part of i-EFF Students Command so mengifika mina sengifikela ngihlala nabo ngi-first year so ukuhlala kwami nabo ku-uncovera lento yokuthi vele kahle mina angisekho emzweni okwenza science sengumuntu ovele ofuna interested ngepolitiki so mengifika ngufuna unyaka wokuqala ebese ngo-second semester unyaka wokuqala ngiyenze internal transfer ngiyofuna ukuyokwenza i-BSS noma i-BSS GPE Government Principles and Ethics yabo so second semester ke bangi-approve ke bathi okay so nginikeze offer next year uzoqala ke wenze yo degree with-BSS na GPE then mengingena ke ngiqala unyaka ngo-2020 ngisayinele i-business BSS in government business and ethics sengiqala lapho singangena kwipolitiki manje kodwa vele previously vele ngisenza high school I was not too much involved into politics but indlela engangithetha ngayo ngabnothisa nabantu wawubona ukuthi ngumuntu ovocal ngokubuyisela back before ngiqhubeke nje ukuthi kwenzakalani into enye eyangifaka kupolitiki high school so ngiqhamuka esikoleni eMayville Secondary biyaziwa ngesikole esinobugebengu njengoba seMayville inobugebengu vele sidala mangifika esikoleni sithi asinazo icapha asinamawindi makuyi-winter sina nje sihlala eminyango amadeski ayashoda iy'hlalo azikho akho lutho nje isikole asipendiwe kubi ifence ngemumva ayenziwe kahle elinye ilanga kwangena abantu nje bafike bathekha umfundi bamgwaza umfundi baya kwi-wheelchair so yonke le nkinga lezi zasiba khona so umfundi vele oyehlakaniphile vele nje ama-answer akhona so ngikhethwa kwi-debate sengenza grade 10 ngikhethwa kwi-debate sizoba nokhetho 2016 right ngenza grade 10 sizoba nokhetho-ke so ngikhetha kwi-debate i-question ithi kubaluleke ngani ukuthi abantu abasha bavote kubalulekile noma kubalulekile yini so mina mangikhetha kwi-debate ngikulabantu laba abamele beveze ukubaluleka kokuvota kwabantu abasha kodwa ngithazini angifuni kube part of i-debate ngoba kunemibuzo engifuna ukuyibuza i-critical ngifuna kube ilabantu laba abazoku-audience bazobuza so okay fine like ingene session isikole sethu emiddle secondary sim next to ama-office ekhansela lani lakhongolose
sure
okay fine kuqala i-debate kubuzwa network sekubuye kwi-audience okay nina-ke niyi-audience ngithanda ngibuza imibuzo hayi ngisukume-ke mina bengisukuma ngima ngenyawo ngithi umbuzo wami ngithi ikhona omeya khona namakhansela khona nabaholi be-region province bonke be-ANC kuhlangulelela le-debate le so ngisakhe nali ithuba lisiveza ithuba hayi ngize ngibhala umbuzo wami was very simple ngavele ngabuza ngathi isiphi isidingo thina siyintsha ukuthi sihambe siyovota ekubeni mina ngikhula ngifunde esikoleni esinganamawindi esingenazo izihlalo esingenayicapha esinganalutho kodwa isikole sethu si next door kwi-office lekhansela lakhona la kanjani ayi kwavela wasukuma inkundla yonke kwakuphela kwe-debate lo ngoba vele wavuka abantu vuma abantu ebese nivaka lokho kwawukuthi-ke akuphelanga inyanga eziwu-3 ithala KFC uPP bahlangana isikole sethu saba namawindi saba nezihlalo sapendwa kabusha safaka ifence first break so ngahamba sengiza matric mina isikole sethu was very much
and siqhenya ngalokho
ngithi ngayidlala indima so sengahamba manje nalento leyo ukuthi ngi-interested izinto lezi zokushintsha impilo zabantu sengize ngifika ke esikoleni ke 2019-2020 yabo njengoba ngichazile ukuthi mase ngifika ngo-2020 sengenza ilokhuzana i-BSS GPE Government Business and Ethics sengingena straight ke manje kwipolitiki because sengiyayifunda ke manje ngiyifunde kanjalo
ukufika kwakho futhi esikoleni njengokusho kwakho ufikele kubantu bekwipolitiki okusho ukuthi kunento etshalekile ngaphakathi kuwena abayihlwanyelile imbewu yasimila kuwena so ngifisa ukuthola mfowethu kuwena uyachaza ukuthi ubufunde esikoleni esakhelene nobuholi bendawo so i-leadership ubuholi buyini kuwena busho ukuthini kuwena
well mina ngingathini ubuholi ngibuka ngendlela ethini ukuthi you are there to provide services for the people provide leadership ngakho ngithi services for the people ngoba if I'm being elected I'm expected ukuthi kube khona izinto engizenzayo ngoba before ngibe elected kunezinto engizipromisile ukuthi ngizozenza so leadership uba leadership after you have delivered. We can't call you ubuholi ungaka-deliver. People will be masquerading as leaders. Mase uyambuza umuntu ukuthi how are you then leadership?
Sure.
It's because I've delivered 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Then says umholi wena.
Omunye uzothi Mlondo voice ngicela ungene emlomeni umholi akabeke uyazala.
Exactly.
Bari sizokukhetha ku command sithi phakama Mlondo ebese wenze into ebesingakuphakamiselanga yona. Ubuholi kusakhona lapho?
Ayis. Lapho sekusebenza lento yani ema self interests.
Sure.
Lapho umuntu ecabangela yena. Lapho ke ama abilities of leadership ususile from your conscious uma ukuthi wena awusenze izinto lezi osipromisile ukuthi uzozenza umuntu nje vele ozenza into yakhe eceleni. Sinabo abantu abaningi abantu emphakathini ikhansela lifika ikhansela ukuthi uyikhansela it doesn't mean ukuthi you are leadership. You are leadership in action, not in position.
So kunomehluko phakathi komholi nomuntu mhlambe
esimkhethile ukuthi asenze into ethize, but mina ngathini umholi ngezenzo zakho ebantwini to your constituents.
Yes.
Kodwa baningi abantu ngoba ngisho they are masquerading as leaders while they are not, because if umholi you must have a record yezinto osuzenzile for abantu. Ngoba manje nami ngine manifesto uzohamba bangihlangana nabantu bazosho ukuthi this guy is umholi ngenxa yokuthi I have led people, yabo, sengilide abantu ngabanikeza izinto ezithize. So ungaba abanye basi akwazi umholi uhleli ungenzi lutho just because you have been elected in the position of leadership. Yes, you are elected in the position of leadership,
so
not ukuthi umholi. You are elected in the leadership, we are position of leadership. Then also leadership, once you have delivered in this position, then we can call you umholi ke lo.
Silondoloze Mlondo kuwa ngomane mfowethu.
Ngicela ukuzama ukuyibuyisa ngaphakathi ngecontext yesikole wethu. Ubafuna ukukhuluma la ukuthi ufike 2019 ubeka science la.
Science, yes.
Wasiyabuya shothi 2020 wasiyaqala wabaka humanities.
Yes.
Ngizama ukunderstand ekuthenini mhlasimbe kumsebenzi abantu noma kwaba into kanjani ukuthi uunderstand ukuthi uma sebenza le degree ngiyakhona ukuthi ngimuve ngize ngala ngoba ngabafundi abaningi abashaya into kanjani ngicela ngiqala kanjani.
Angisifela vele ngafikela vele kuma comrade. So ama comrade lezi lezi ayixoxa, so abantu ngifela bona basebenza unyaka wesingaka 18 unyaka wesithathu bewenza, so kodwa ngifikela kubona so already bona bayawazi lama systems la ukuthi asebenza kanjani. So ngabuza kubona ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngiye kanje. So vele kodwa if sika argumented, so ngisuke safana nabantu abasazoya kwa mainstream bayafika abantu ama advisors afika athi usangakwazi ukushintsha uyeka humanities noma next year ukhethe yo major to science. So ngasefisa ngivele senginayo ulwazi ukuthi kuphe kumele ngikwenze through bona labantu labo engihlala nabo. Kodwa nje mina nje personal myself mina wahamba wesana ama form ngahamba ngayo office ngasayina iform ngasubmit iform kuthiwa sokubele kuwena ngiphila ngayibuyela mina futhi ngayofunele ioffer. I think into mase sikufuna in nature mase sikufuna ngempela ukuthi into iyenze nawe yourself kuyenzakalela ukuthi into uzenze ngendlela engimele ukuzenza ngakhona to achieve the thing.
Okay, ngicela ukubuza nanku umuzo sibili nginokubona ngendlela okuhlona ngayo amalokhuze ngisho ukuthi amakhosi indlela ekufuna ngayo ukuthi ngalaka humanities.
Yes.
Baningi abantu ababa active.
Yes.
Kunangala science from high school nje
baba active in terms of politics. Yes.
From high school abantu abaka science izinto enjenge politics abayinanga ukuthi abafundi ngazo kakhulu. And ngithola wena ukuze ukwazi ukunaka kahle politics uyamove from science uzangala ke humanities. Ngizamthola ukuthi kuyimpoqo yini noma ukuthi umuka science ipolitics
awuyihlanganisi.
No, absolutely not, because ipolitics it's our sort of our basic of life. So ngisho ngibuya kanjalo ipolitics, without ipolitics we couldn't even differentiate between science and humanities. We even being here esikoleni without politics ngabasikho la. So politics is a basic of life. So whether uka science or humanities or law and management, it doesn't mean. But about they complain about ukuthi sometimes science is too demanding of your time, and then you find izinto ungasakwazi ukuthi uzibheke uzibuke ukuthi okay fine lapha yabo nginayinkinga la but le prac ngo past 5 because namanga nginga ukuthi angena ngo 8 ekseni ngingene ngo-12 ngingene ngo-5 ngama-practicals lawo. So ezinto kunzima ukuzinaka ezenzeka outside. I won't say lapho ukuthi kuma-humanities i-curriculum is soft, but ikhona lonto leyo ukuthi uyakwazi ukuthi ma-humanities ukwazi ukubona izinto ezenzeka outside, because vele ama-modules esiwenzayo our modules are based on abantu humanities. So these ones, most of the time, are exposed to these things throughout the world, and they're more focused with science. But me, ngoba ngisho ukuthi ngesikhathi ngikhula upbringing from high school sengizala from science, leyo nto le politics ya uncover kumina ukuthi vele wona unayo this thing of politics, then ngasihamba from science to humanities. Kodwa futhi nginakho usho ukuthi kube ngangazi konhle ngitshela abangani bami ukuthi ube ngangazi ukuthi i-maths ngenze ngiyenze ngingakwazi ukukhetha ukuthi ngingayenzi i-maths ngenze chemistry kuphela. Ngangisuka ka science ngize ka humanities because ngangayifuni i-maths kahle angifuni i-chemistry kuphela because I was good only with chemistry, but ngalekho knowledge ngamuva. But I was still going to be involved in politics chemistry because of this thing of you worried about what is happening in the society.
Sure, mfowethu kuwena mfowethu ukuyiqinisela umsulu ukuthi ipolitiki siyazi ukuthi ibabulela abantu, ipolitiki siyazi ukuthi baphilisile abantu, siyazi ukuthi kuningi umehluko owenzekile ezweni, muningi futhi umonakalo owenzekile ezweni odalwe nepolitiki. Kuwena mfowethu njengomlondo ozosilondoloza siye emajuba, iyini ipolitiki, isho ukuthini ipolitiki?
Kuningi yabo. Ipolitiki ihlukene ngendlela eziningi, but mina ngiyaunderstand ukuthi in order for us as a society, because we are a community here, a UKZN, we are UKZN community, student community, we must be governed by certain rules, principles, values, or there must be norms of standard that governs us as a community.
Sure.
So we can't then, in the midst of these rules, and also we as a community, we can't, every one of us, unama issues individually in this community, because as a community, yes, but we have specific issues as now.
Sure.
So since we are a community, we must be led by certain people to voice out our concerns. If sisi la esikoleni sizofica ekuthenini ukuthi omunye unenkinga ethize, omunye unenkinga ethize, omunye unenkinga ethize, but asikwazi ukukhuluma sonke. Yes.
Sure.
At the same time again, ipolitiki ingena in a set of what? Of leadership. They must be led by certain people. And then most ngena ngepolitiki sifunda ipolitics in terms of theories. So in the midst, how do we then see a community? This community is a sort of liberal community, and so forth.
Sure.
So many aspects of politics is very much broad. But me, in terms of life schooling, see mega in terms of what in this community we are going to be having issues. There must be someone also was as leader to solve these issues in the context of university.
Ngaphambi kokuthi bafo uzomphendula khona umbuzo aqala ngaqala ngicabanga ukuthi ubeshoda kwemibuzo methi ipolitiki ibulalela izinto ezithile yaphinda ilungisa izinto ezithile. Angazi kuyiqiniswa kangakanani. Kodwa ngeke ngathi emangilandelela ngathola ukuthi ngathi kuke kwaba khona isikhathi la angazi noma uxoxa esikoleni
okay
ubulala kwepolitiki.
Yeah, ipolitiki uqinisile bafo.
Right.
Iyayibulala ezinye izinto ezingezansi, but let me tell you something. Sibile abantu bokwipolitiki for the first time, abanye umuntu abesu focused kwipolitiki izimfake ngisho eyintweni wrong because akasayenzi lento le engimele ngabe uyayenza. Omunye umthola ukuthi use involved kwizinto ezi-illegal, yabo ukhuluma nabantu engamele ngabe ukhuluma nabo. At the same time again futhi you find that abanye benza izinto extremely, abanye impilo zabo bayibeka engcupheni, uthola ukuthi umuntu useyaboshwa just because of ipolitiki. Ipolitiki at some point we need to be there in the forefront of my students. Kunama consequences of that thing.
Sure.
Abanye they get arrested, abanye bayaboshwa. So basically mina okwenzeka kimi, so I was in 2022 I was the chairperson. I was the first chairperson, by the way, to be elected on behalf of the EFF Students Command. When I was economy before, he moved that.
Sure.
Look on Jimmy verse. So 2022, the campaign 2021, the campaign it was very much massive. It was outside PMB, but we're considering PMB.
When you was start to lap.
Because we are tattoo.
Okay.
Things we are always tattoo, but it's give 40 years, right?
Oh, okay.
No, yeah. So 2020, 2019, 2020 degree I'm humanities.
Sure.
2021, things we are always be. 2021 we are contest that we are always be, but needed year in terms of. So, but some contest again. Hey, Siyabonga Mlondo, Mlondo abafundi. Leto le isiyaduma iyaphoma nje esandleni isi beyond iPMB. Umuntu uyayibuza ukuthi yangephi lento. So ngahamba ngaye even eThekwini ngiyenza manifesto. My manifesto was very much precise about bayithanda, yabo. Then ubuholi bami ke was ubuholi obudeliver time to time, make that deliver. So kuna lento leyo ukuthi ke esikoleni uma ubuholi uma ngempela ubuholi and unama numbers amaningi kuba nzima ukuthi management sometimes kuba ukuthi iyaphikisana nawo because you have a solid background of students oba leader maningi. So mina I always say umrezi nginenkinga la kanje ngicela ngize nenkinga le it's okay fine na inkinga ngesikwazi lenkinga because umkhandlu mina ngifana ukuthi ngiyibridge between students and management. So mina ngithatha la ngilese la so ngabe uma ukuthi nina le kanje aniyenzi mina ngine right ukuthi ngiyokhola i-mass meeting ngiyotshela labantu ukuthi ngena ngithe kanje ebese ngiyasuka kubona ukuthi bona benzani mina ngangisangena ngoba mina ngiyibridge ngiyi-message kuphela. So 2022 uqala unyaka ke mina ke ukuthi ama face was very difficult but delivered. ngizama ukuyiphondo la khona sixoshwa khona. So abanye abantu bazokhumbula ukuthi baqala unyaka sinama students ama first years ayifika ama first years afike ama first years mayifika laba bafuna indawo yokuhlala abana indawo yokuhlala and mina njengomuntu angikwazi ukuthi chairperson wabo ukuthi ngithi they must return back home.
Sure.
Ngoba ufuna indawo yokuhlala umuntu wathi usuke offer wasayine offer wahambe so umfundo la lo muntu usefuna under mina sengimele manje umuntu ngimprotect ngaphakathi angikwazi ukumxosha ngahlala nabo almost 7 days consecutively sibafaka kuma temporals housing ovala ngo past 3 to 4 usually but mina during my leadership ovala around 5 past 5 because we have to make sure ukuthi ayikho umfundi ozolala eminyango umfundi ozosuka le kwaNongoma ozosuka le Eastern Cape athiwa ayikho ukuhlala thina as university mase sithola ukuhlala so sibafaka ama temporary rooms. Sure. So asikwazi phela ukuthatha ama-students bafaka ama-temporary rooms for 7 days adlala ama-students lawo in order for us because siyabona i-university ukuthi isinjani isi-capable abayiboni ukuthi sine-crisis la yama-students.
Sure.
Because phela kumele sinjani manje kumele sibone ukuthi there is a crisis, it must be attended. I took them to the SU bonke so kule 7 ngihleli nabo ngafama temporary rooms ngabagodukisi because mele bahlale la befunde la mayindu ama academics amanye aqalile.
Sure. Yeah.
His comrades students ngiyacela ukuthi manje nilandele mina ngifuna manje ukuthi engizoyenza ukuthi I'll be the first person because mina ngumholi wenu I'll be the first person ozohamba ayolala egatini lapha ukuze sibiza amaphepha sibize abantu university ayibona ukuthi sine crisis la because man ngizwa from housing awuyisho into deliberately ukuthi sine crisis ama respect ama res and ama first years before kasiphethe isasco kwangavumelekile ama first years usahambe ohlala ama PA my first years kuma treasury ngenkani even engafuni so thina we said okay fine we can't allow first years ukuthi awuhlala kuma treasury so minimize i-news necessary available to sharing so sakubeka back ukuthi uqala phi uMlondo ngiwe ngithi ngiyaxoshwa hayi ithe manje sama student bonke lapha ngwayise e-gate sihlele ngaphandle sonke ukhona so sigresa le moment yokuthi manje sine crisis because asikwazi ukulela 7 days ama rest lapha u2 sesofakile amasha still sidinga more spaces ngempela nama students la bisuku sophakela ukudla adle notes ekuseni kusitsela ukudla ifika imedia notes ekuseni in the morning we received the communique for the first time residents are full. Therefore, awahambiseni niwayise ama-PA ama-first years. So ama-first years awayise ama-PAs awasala nje imoto. So sawazi lo Mlondo lo usebenza amaphepha. Hey, we're having a problem now.
Yeah.
Hey, this person. So already umkhandlu wethu umkhandlu velo ngathi abanye babethi sina asingalaleli.
Sure,
izidlamlili yabo. Kanti I know singilethe ama-students. Yabo. Hayi basondela unyaka kwaphela ugesi ekhambasini for 3 days. UCMS awubhali email ukuthi ugesi uphelile kwenzakalani. Ama students lapho ayabhala ama exam ayafunda kule library ugesi awukho. Ngiyabhala email ngibhalela wonke i-management. Ngibhalela i-management lutho uphendula. Ngabhala email ngihambile ngibhalela email ngaphendula. Ngihamba ngabhala email ngala ngaphendula. Sengiyahamba ke manje ngitshela ama students mina ukuthi aningiphenduli nawo ama email. Mangifika ama students ngawatshela na email. Ama students adinwa ngama students ukuthi hayi futhi management ayisilaleli. Ngabe sengenjani mina ngithi hayi okwami sengikwenzile my responsibility as i-SRC angisi superman mina. Ngi student nami my ngumkhandlu sengiyenzile. So kwenzeka izinto kolo usuku lobo ke hayi ngoba ngaba tshela ngayizolo mina. Then usubulandelayo which lapho mina ngangekho ke. I-campus was very much kakhulu ukuthela kokukhona. In the middle ekseni ngibizwe meeting ngifike meeting ngithiwe umkhandlu is the number 1 suspect. Kweyonke into enzakala ecampusini. But ngisikanja ngoba there was no even a single one esaseyikhona lapha. Kanjani? UVC wabhala email. Even today UVC has never apologized to me. The fact that wangibiza the public platform with the criminal. What the PMB SRC are masquerading as leaders, but they are criminals. And later on we were found not guilty. So I was suspended at campus in Rule 14 on 1 July 2022. This is my value lapho. Ungena i-email ngomhla ka-28 June ethi email ethi Rule 14 here. Rule 14 is whereby sakisa we-trial but kwamanje zoya kwi-hearing sibone ukuthi u-dangerous yini ukuthi ube la campusini.
Sure.
So if you are dangerous then you have to be outside campus. Awukho allowed to ungene any premises wonke of campuses. Lapho sezunyaka njani wokugcina sengiphela sengizunyaka wokugcina ukuphuthula i-degree yami. Ay siye hearing mase we hearing ngene hearing then we find out ukuthi twathi na black teacher at campus you must leave. So suspended kanjalo.
So nisuka ya manje campusini niyohlala ekhaya.
Sihlala manje ekhaya. Ngoba sasikhoyifana siyabuza ukuthi simele siyo amacala lawa entenzeka ecampusini. Sasizoba ku-trial. So sesiye ekhaya manje ke basi sacela ukuthi kodwa sifunda online. Sonke cabanga on my structure wethu amafanele. Sonke on my structure vele sino green means vele sibantu baphasayo. Allow us to then sifunde online singa-attend ecampus. Mase but okay fine. So funda online anivumelekile ukuthi nize campusini but nje nina suspended uthi umkhandlu indandisana umkhandlu sahamba ke sohlala emakhaya for July, August, September, October, November. Is it true? No. July, yeah. Almost it's 1 year and 4 months because now 2023 I was not allowed to campus in. So ngihamba ini trial manje.
Uzovunyelwa nini campusini?
Campusini ngisolekela ngo second semester ukuthi I was not guilty. Wonke lama charges engidingi nawo 2023, I was found not guilty of them. Imagine trauma. Wonke lo 1 year and 4 months.
So lo 1 year and 4 months wambi icala noma
icala ngaqala ukuhamba second semester. Second semester 2023 lapho sengenza bavuma ukuthi ngiregister i-honors yami 2023.
Sure.
But still mina ke embassy ngikho allowed ke embassy because saneyinkinga zokuthi sihambe trial. But okay fine, we'll monitor you in the midst usakwi-honors yakho singimonitor.
Sure.
Singimonitor yabo if kumele uze embassy uyasho singimonitor but sihambe trials sawumuntu hamba amacala.
Yeah, ngifisa sibheke mfowethu la ngoba kuyiqiniso elimsulu ukuthi njengoba silapha simele sibashiye ngemuva. So emuva bayamukele kanjani ngoba lento politics engathi sihambe yakufaka yebo kuhle kwenzile kuningi but kuningi okucishe kumise ngenhliziyo especially umuntu osemuva ongayiqondi ukuthi lento ihamba kanjani. Bathini ngemuva mfowethu ekhaya kakhulukazi?
Ekhaya lethu bayibona vele ukuthi hayi ngabatshela ngathi hayi baba hayi mama hayi esikoleni hayi ngimisiwe suspended sonke insurance.
So by understand le nto yepolitiki ukuthi
ya baba understand vele ukuthi ngine passion yayo then yabo base manje uzokwenza njani uma wasivele basho warrant wathi manje uzokwenza njani ngaphela mina iqede ngizimina ayikho le basalawile ukuthi uma was very much leto yokuthini usafunda yini into engisiza ukuthi bengakuthoko kukhulu ukuthi basalawile ukuthi sifunde online even though bese sicoshile campus.
Sure.
So it was going to be difficult mangathiwa babesicoshile lokudizimali ukuthi mhlawumbe singafundi at all. Bakhona abanye abethu abakanjalo.
Sure. Ngifisa ukubheka la mfowethu ekuthenini ekufikeni kwakho nyaka nokho ukuqala la evarsity because masobheka inkinga ebezenzeka ngo2022 2023 namanje inkinga ezinye zazo ezithi ayifane. So ngifisa ukubheka wena ekufikeni kwakho kuze kube manje isakhona lezi inkinga wayifica noma mhlambe ukhona ukuthuthuka kuya phambili uma kuphuma le SRC kungenenye mhlambe akukhona ikhali evulekayo ekuthenini sisabuyela kule yankinga futhi kuyena sasikhala ngayo kulanyaka lento yokuthi sinikezwe ama solutions esikhathi samanje abafundi uma bekubonakala ukuthi okay kunenkinga abafundi bazonikezwa mhlawumbe ama food parcel aleso sikhashana lezo okuzohamba kuhambe ephelele endleleni zonke lezo inkinga ngifuna ukubheka lapho kwa
yeah into kanje the reason why vele sangena emkhandlweni masingena emkhandlweni uyayilungisa izinto sibuyele emuva because sengena ubuholo obusha obusha mhlambe lesetup eyinhlangano lenhlangano mayifika nayo iqhubeki la iqala into yayo entsha then kuvuleka ama loopholes manje lama policies nezinto lezi esishela sizenza laba abafikayo abafika benza into yabo entsha and then management lonto leyo esikhuluma abasayinaka ibuyela back emuva. So kwamanye ama-institution umkhandlu uzube 2 years.
Sure.
Ube ku-term for 2 years yabo nje koyonisa even in DUT i-term umkhandlu isi-2 years. So uyakwazi lapho ukuthi u-attack-a ipolicy throughout the years wonke lo 2 years kulula ukuthi so if sizokwenza for example nayi lento yokubuza i-food security uzokhumbula kahle ukuthi kulonyaka odlule kuphethe EFFSC besino food security program ekade ikhona besiletha izinkwa each and every day student ama exam akanoma nakhumbula yini I'm not first semester noma second semester lapho sithi 1 meal per day. Then the following year saphuma ubuholi wakhona ubuholi obusha ubuholi obusha ke abuzange benjani uqhubeke from low 1 meal per day. So yonke lo issues of what food security now are being reversed emumva yabo.
Ngicela ukubuza bro buza ngapha futhi ke manje kuyipolitics yabafundi 2022 ngenkathi uchairperson aduphethwe uZuma president
weSASCO
njengamanje wena ufuna ukuba president oyi-EFFSC ngizama ukuthola ukuthi kuba kanjani ukusebenzisana ukuthi uba namacala la unopresident ophethe kodwa manje inkinga ungenye inhlangano
kunzima
ngifuna uku-understand lapho
kunzima
and ne-delivery kuyasebenzisana
kunzima siphela manje inkinga yena upresident weSASCO president we-university wonke ongake ukhephasa kongo 5 mina ngu-chairperson wase-PMB manje ngowe-EFF lo muntu lo lapha PMB uyadeliver uyasebenza ama-options amthanda and njengopresident weSASCO iSASCO njengoba kusho ukuthi iSASCO PMB iyacindezeleka ngenxa yalo muntu lo. Ngoba lo muntu lo uprogressive e-PMB nangu-president wani we-SASCO kodwa ophethe i-UKZN SRC yonke yofaya. So nami ngikhala kuyena sengikhala kuyenzeka sometimes angayibuki personal ayibuke organizational. Athi kodwa as much as ngiyakuzwa uyakuzwa wona ukuthi uyakhala kanje nacosha but angeke lento le ikwazi ukusilungela siyisakho into kanjalo yabo kwakunzima na ngimblame Nkosi yami kwakunzima na kuyena uyisakho EFFSC lapha having problems because uyakwazi ukusilekelela ngendlela silekelela ngayo and then emva kalokho uthola ukuthi yabo namgxeka lapha bawe how but you are now helping the EFFSC what are you doing yabo so kwakunzima kwakuzoba ngcono mangathiwa sasinobuholi be-SRC UKZN be-EFF nathi CEFF kuzoba
nayo-ke into engicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe wiwe inkinga lento yokuthi ugqoka isikibha esihlaza ugqoka isikibha esibomvu ugqoka isikibha esiyelo iphazamisa kanjani i-service delivery mhlawumbe esuke ibheke kubafundi?
Iyayiphazamisa ngendlela ehlukile because all of us we have different views different views with how to then solve problem. We can have a problem here. EFF may figure la is also let's attack directly the police. Let's go to the council and say 1 million per day must be a program, must be a policy within the university policies. The university must do what? Provide food each and every day for what? For students. But figure la the thing is not possible. In the midst, let's just give food parcels as a short-term solution. So sigcina singakwazi ukuthi sibambisane ngoba wonke umuntu une-view sina EFF we are a Marxist Leninist organization. We believe in the principles of we believe in the values of socialism. Yeah, but we are Marxist Leninist. So SASCO is what is a ANC is a liberal organization. So obvious our values guys are fun. Our solution are fun. So tifala njalo uthola ukuthi the MKs ofika la enziwa na hence wakubalekile ngesinye isikhathi to give this one organization its time to lead and then kanjalo.
But mase kumele kudelive kungani ubheka ukuthi ubani loya because le vote lakho uyalidinga nelelo yafuthi uyalidinga because nginokubheka isikhathi esiningi mfowethu uma abantu mase bengene emandleni yabo unokubheka ukuthi lo muntu oza kimi ozokhala nje manje uza ngimazi efaka isikipha seSASCO mina ngimazi efake ini kanjani yabo so bese engakwazi ukuthola lolu sizo alidingayo kwenziwa yini lokho?
No, the thing is very wrong because into eyenzakalayo is that umkhandlu akusiyona into, it is a body which is outside ilokuzana ama-organizations. If we are being elected there, you are elected as someone who must lead every student.
Sure.
Regardless of ubegqoka ured ubegqoka uyellow, wonke umuntu oyi-student wena masusula ngaphezulu kumele umsize. Amanye amangazi abanye they do it ngoba phela lapho umuntu usuke enalento leyo ukuthi hayi but mhlawumbe osakungivotele so ngikwazi ukusiza, which is very much wrong that thing. Umfundi noma ngathi ufika kuwena egqoke isikipha seSASCO kumele umsize lo umfundi loyo yabo. Isikipha just a t-shirt, into ebalekile ukuthi lo mfundi loyo uyakwazi ukuthi asizakale but yabo ku wrong lokho hlahle in its own context.
Ngifisa sithathe njengamanje mfowethu sibheke okhethweni la kusasa okhethweni sesigoqa nje sivala njengamanje. Ngifisa ukuthi singene lapha nokhethweni la kusasa nangolesihlanu sibheke ukuthi iziningi inkinga esinazo ngaphansi kwekhembasi yaseMaritzburg, inkinga ikhona ngaphansi kwe-UKZN. Umlondo bamethi silondoloze Mlondo siyemajuba uza nani EFF ngaphansi kwe-Maritzburg iza nani njengoba ngiyazi ukuthi nakhona mhlambe bakhona abantu enibathumile ngokubathemba ukuthi bazolela abafundi. Kakhulu sithola inkinga mfethu uma kuthiwa siyayiqala nje manje siyayibala ngeke sikwazi ukuyiqeda but mase siyivala nje siyiphethe ngifisa ukuzwa ukuthi nizanani kubantu nizanani kubafundi yini enithi abafundi nizobenzela yona.
Okay, so wahlahle vele mina ke ebhuti wami vele ngithi mengicontesta mina ngicontestela upresident wenyuvesi yonke yabo. So I'm not based much in PMB in Howard, no. My manifesto ya wonke umuntu umfundi wase-UKZN yabo. So the first thing thina esiyifunayo when we get into office, we want to decentralize NSFAS. The issue of us having to go to Cape Town each and every time when we are having issues is very much wrong, completely unfair for us. So we need to write an email. Podcast.
Sure.
Umfundi lapha unenkinga yokuthi NSFAS wakho approve ubhale ukuthi usekulinde ukuthi manje esikoleni ma submit registration data notes yonke lonto leyo. And lonto leyo mase kuya funding kumele kufonele uNSFAS kube wona uzonjani ozo approve lento ukwazi utshela university ukuthi kayifana nomuntu lo sengamfanda.
Sure.
Kumele senze namele sifone but iUCT iyakwazi uvele ihambile lapha ema-ofisini kaNSFAS manje nama-students awu-8 manje ba-approve manje thina mina sibhala ama-email email esifone. It's wrong that thing. uNSFAS must be kuwo wonke ama-campus. Sina ama-office maningi kakhulu ama-office siwavula namasha sibakhela bafike sibakhela ama-office amasha bebewafunda sinaso space nama-office actually nane-SU inkulu. They must come in our campuses ukuze sikwazi ukuthi uma ukuthi ngo-April anizange nihole nangu uNSFAS la ecampusini yini kufaka imali kuma-students yini inkinga yabo into kanjani. And then our registration must be hybrid. Akukwazi ukuthi i-first year my brother iqhamuka esikoleni sasemakhaya asikazi sayibona laptop asiyazi internet asazi lutho uzona asingene online kwi-UKZN system so register asazi nokuthi yini i-polls 101 asazi nokuthi yini nanokuthi badilise ukuthi bakhona abantu abasizayo online. Lo online kanjani sifuna abantu befike ecampusini sikwazi ukubalekelela. Previous na before i-COVID ufika nje ecampusini bekhona abantu besebenza ema-ofisini yonke into ufike ecampusini into yakho ulekeleleke manje uhamba into uqedile. Manje kumele ulinde online labantu laba usula ama-email awu-200 lo muntu lama-email awu-200 soqeda kanjani within a space of 1 week ngoba phela kumele aprint kumele asayile kumele. So we sit in the come to campus, allow first years to come to campus to register. Umfundi masumnikeze offer lo mfundi lo automatically usomfundi osesikoleni. So ilokho sehle futhi bafu with regards to i-SRC basari sifune i-SRC basari kube i-basari ezoprioritize kakhulu ama-postgraduates ngoba siyazi ama-postgraduate awanayo i-funding yabo. So kumele sikwazi ukuthi ama-postgraduates sikwazi ukuthi siwafund. I think 70% of leya mali must go to ama-postgraduates because most of the time ama-undergraduates asuke enawo asuke nayo i-funding. Not ukuthi siyawa-neglect ama-undergraduates, no, nawo siyawafaka la. We must immediately when we get elected, we must call for a gala dinner in December. Gala dinner we squeeze bonke obamkhiza bonke labantu asaziyo banemali. Which as students we are contributing for them the profit. Even imall lezas COVID mall. If as president ngasho ukuthi comrade let's not go by the mall for 10 days.
Sure.
And then we'll find something ukuthi kanjani amabhasi asamba sethawini sokode khona ethawini singayila imall. Those people are going to suffer those 10 days. But how are they contributing to us as students? Ngoba phela thina we are bring them profit. Le mali NSFAS ufika lapha checkers bayithatha yonke the gross. They must fund us. Fund ikozani ibasari lomkhandlu ngo December not ngo January not ngo February ngo December kumele sisinayo imali. But again imagine if we as a university or umkhandlu we create a bilateral relations with our institutions up here. For example, if we have a relationship with Harvard, Harvard is nigga ama students we share ama izinto nasi esinaso thina even odokotela sinabo abantu be-agriculture sinabo abantu abama sort of science sinabo abantu ba-humanities. We can pass ama research aids throughout sikuveze ukuthi asinayo funding. Cela ukuthi these people from Harvard mobilize ama fund phesheya ezela so obvious now $1 kumele ufike $1 la so ufike $1 libe into enkulu siwazi usifanda yabo. So all of those things and then ukusikhona abantu uthola ukuthi banama tender la esikoleni ulungisa ama window ulungisa ama gates ulungisa ini wonke lo muntu kuyimanje university kuyimanje ikhali ibhekile renovation. Wonke umuntu who is a stakeholder in this university must contribute to the students. Must say uma uniki ithe la 100,000 mele sengisazi ukuthi lo 100,000 imali yama students because une business nje esikoleni yama students yabo. So imali sithola kanjani imali. So again sibene clinic yethu is not open for 24 hours my brother. UniZulu has a 24-hour clinic. So we are the best university in Africa, but that's not clinic yethu ivala ngo3 hours afika lapha dokotela ngekho uyafika lapha unesa ngekho but sinabo onesa bafunda Howard benza ama 30 years nabo dokotela bafunda medical school benza abafanele. Why ungabathatha labo dokotela la ubalethe la benze lama practicals la ufike lapha uyafika bakhona lapha eWestville benza i-pharmacy uyafika lapha sole imithi lapha imithi expired because ayekho umuntu osebenza lapha e-pharmacy. Thatha ama students lapha at 30 year uwenza ama practicals no clinics then open it 24 hours ngoba a school nge timetable ngikula ngo4 emini ngo Friday ngikula noma yini ngikula noma so mengithola usizo noma yini. So and then manje sinenkinga enge futhi mina I am a postgraduate and also I am employed by the university. I'm a student worker. So our students they came to me lawa ama postgraduate they are saying bona abafanda ama workers bane union lawa zabo oni how no COSATU no not abanye abo ama student workers lawa abamathutha abanayo inyunyana yabo abakhala kuyona. So university sina njani yas exploiter isolela imali encane and was not lezi inkinga lesihlangabezana nazo ziningi. So I said for the first time ever we will take ama student workers swabeke under the office of the president which is myself. Yibo zohamba ayika HR because HR upresident uhlala kwi committee yaka HR. Yibo zohamba yokhulumela these student workers ama issues abo whether ES, LMS, health science, humanities and what not. The president is the one who's going to be responsible for these student workers. As we move and then unemployment rates now we are graduating we are poor on them savings. UKZN must play a role for us to find employment. As well as we graduates, we must first towards kuna degrees la emele swa review are they still necessary amanye wabo swa change so bheke amanye siyazi ukuthi these ones are proper swathathe swafake in lawa sibona ukuthi awasanawo ama job opportunities swa minimize. But we as the SRC we want to propose a work integrated program whereby we take our graduates to swafake emsebenzini. For example, I will convene uLukuzana, I will convene Sasol, I will convene Transnet, I will convene the different types of company is close by our institutions. So I convene in one hall. Comrades of these companies, now I'm decreases now. Please open spaces for these people. I figure okay, fine. So I will offer you can 25 interns. Can they apply? Since he has about 10, about 25 at Transnet. thina as institution esesibafakile ka-Transnet hayi ukuthi sakhiqiza nje umuntu mayibonela. We need to play a role as thina students. But I think the last point is the issue of gender-based violence. We must, by all means necessary, fight the issue of gender-based violence. It must be a society which respects women and respects children. You find the students are being raped or they are having issues of gender-based violence. We must capacitate to RMS. RMS must have the capacity. Psychology. It was the clinic must open 24 hours. 24 hours. I'm tested immediately. The ratio noma eba ne issue lokho kuyasiza thina ukuthi sibe namacala gender-based violence akwazi ukushesha alungiseke. So we'll be having gender-based violence awareness programs throughout our campuses.
Sure.
And then we'll be having the issues of our bashes. I'm always cry about bashes. Why now my bash? I bash ba awukhulula ukuyenza.
Yini inkinga ekwenzeni bash?
Awukhulula ukuyenza bash. So wonke umuntu nje. Yeah, wonke umuntu ufuna ukudansa but it's difficult. Yabo le form lela form la SAPS la esikoleni engumulu usayina liningi mhlawumbe ukuthi uko page 3 uko page 3 uyabona ukuthi senga ayibona ngeke umbuze la is difficult. So ibash kumele kube khona umuntu ozoba responsible for ibash. Uzokhumbula ukuthi ethi kube khona inkinga ezabakhona weba yomfundi owashona ngekhathi sebash. To what overcrowding. So ngesikhathi bengeniswa ngazi nami lento enziwa kanjani yabo lapha ethi under SASCO mayifika ama students evula igate akwazi ukuvula igate kwibash at once ama students angene emaningi igate kumele ulivule ngo-12 emini. Ibash vele from 12 emini ama students abele engelela iphumela engelela hayi uzovala igate mase wangenisa esegcwele because obvious mase aqobana washona umfundi. Thereby kumele kube khona umuntu lapho oba responsible for what for lo incident lo mnikazi webash kuyena yena.
But niyakwazi ukwenza ama event as mhlamba ngezumzekelo nje azoba ngaphansi kwama lecture halls noma
phela ngithi lapho usuke lapho isuke inhlangano isuke izoba ne program. Phela obvious lecture hall is much easier to administrate. Lapha la mabash khona alcohol khona ama substances abantu abasebenzisayo.
But isasi yona accountability.
Yes. Laphana kakushiwo ukuthi SRC.
Sure.
There must be a single person ozosayina la form. Exactly. Ngoba umuntu lo responsibility uyayibalekela ngoba phela umfundi mase sokuza le event le. Someone must be held accountable. Let's do kanjani. So vele ke mina complete I'm saying no, it's okay. We can't be this thing of swat khafat lubele manje siyathuswa.
Yeah.
Mina ke njengo president ke ozongena I'm willing ukuthi lethali lelo form lelo silisayine ngisayine ama students ezo abe ama freshers noma ama bashes because these things they play a role mentally because we need to socialize as a community. We can't be told as to how do we have to socialize. If we can't tell us, if we're not a bash, so I will try by all means necessary to make sure a bash ibakona. If ngenze khona, then we'll see what solutions do we have to try to maneuver sibonise the ehlukahlukene yabo.
Mfowethu, msindazi sesiphetha mfowethu.
Ngicela ukuthi ngivele nginikezele ubhuti ask phela mhlasimbe ukuthi kuvotwa nini kubaluleke ngani ukuthi abafundi avote. Bese
so siyavota kusasa. So which is umhla ka-10 nangomhla ka-11 which is Friday. So sicela nje abafundi ngomningi babo eNyuvesi yaKwaZulu Natal ukuba i-EFFSC yacela ukuthi inikezwe ithuba ekutheni ibuyele ebuholini. Kubalulekile ukuthi uvote ngoba mawungavoti uyafana njengomuntu oedayo kuma problems ethu, because ekuseni leto yokuvota imali yazi ngani uyavuka ekuseni awulazi usuku lakho lokuthi lenkinga zovela nini. Uyavuka ekuseni uphethwe izinyo akukiye eklasini udinga i-ambulance ecampusini ayikho 24 hours uhleli awuvotanga, uzobe usuhamba usuthini bizi ambulance engafika uyahamba epheshini yosikhuluma. Votela ubuholi obubalekile ozokwazi wena ukuthi mase sekunenkinga mina ngiyazi ngizokhala lapha and futhi lapha kuzolaleleka, yabo ngoba wazi ukuthi sinesikhathi sakho seseyinkinga. Registration first year awunayo imali, awunamali yokuregister, udinga umkhandlu yikini ama allowances inkinga zakini must not. Umkhandlu is there to support you, so votela umuntu owaziyo ukuthi these people are going to help me if mina ngibe nenkinga. So kubalekile ukuthi ngomhla ka 10 ngomhla 11 sivotele EFF yodwa, EFF or EFF. We are not saying EFF or nothing, we are saying EFF or EFF. So yilokho nje phela engakusho, ngibonge ngethini ukuthi nisimeme si EFF and sithanda kakhulu nathi ukuthi abantu yabo sikwazi ukuthi sidlale i-role ekutheni ukuthi abantu basimama. Ngiyathemba ukuthi ke mase sengi-electiwe sengomongameli ngiyophinde futhi ningibize yabo, ngisho ukuthi hayi sekwenzekelile emsebenzi sengomongameli, ningibuze nemibuzo mhlawumbe le platform ngayi-platform right, because I was always saying why singanayo i-podcast yase-UKZN, why singanayo i-radio yase-UKZN. Mhlawumbe these podcast are going to play a role kusumkhandlu siyifande lento lekuthenini ihambe ama-students nawo sengihleli la as umkhandlu, ngihleli la i-management, ngihleli nawe bafula siyabuzana nemibuzo siyaphendulana through kancane. So nani ningapheli umoya, impumelelo nje iseduze. Ngafike sibonga mina kakhulu
nina bendlondleni nopapa ekhanda kamenza indaba kawuthulula lelo muntu omemezayo. Umemeza sengathi uyakhala ukhala isilile. Sina ke mina ke igama lami ngusiphamandla uphaba athi mabutho kaMgidlejo mfana kwamhleko phansi eMatuba ke enkundla isigodi siza kuwena ke thina masiko kuthulela ke esikhungweni the varsity podcast. Khona ke umne wethu bekuyena ke besihamba naye ke umsindazwe bathi ke umanqoba ke uqhubekani umfo kaMgidlejo phansi ke eMatuba bathi umkhaya beyikhona ke insizwa ke uMlondo bathi silondolozo uMlondo siye eMajuba kama ngaphansi ke kweqembu EFF Student Command bekuyena ke sithulela ke umhlahlandlela kanye ke izethembiso ke okuyibona ke kuyizona ke abeza nazo ke namkulona ke ukhetho lo esakulona labafundi. Sikena kanjani make sure ukuthi ke nawe ke awulenzi iphutha, izwi lakho uyalizwakalisa, izwi lakho uyaliveza ngomhla ka 10 umhla ka 11 yona ke lenyanga esikuyona ukwazi ukuthi nawe ke ezakhe izimpi zangaphakathi kwi-institution zangaphakathi esikhungweni ziliwe futhi ziliwe ngendlela. Sina ke siyibiza ke esikhungweni the varsity ke podcast. Siyabonga.